How's it going, everybody? It's been a busy January for me, but hopefully I can start cranking out more videos this year for you guys. Drag racing parts, all kinds of stuff. So, things that you guys are maybe interested in. A lot of updates on the shop. We put an overhang over there. We got a Prelude on the lift. We have another new lift, 2-post. So we're upgrading the scissor lift to a 2-post lift. Really excited about that. And yeah, a lot of stuff going on. Maybe I should start posting about the cars that we come in and what I got going on. A lot of people have been telling me what I'm doing is kind of unique. I figured others were doing it, but maybe not. And maybe I'll start posting that up. But for today, as you see in the thumbnail, we are trying to make one good car, hopefully. I'll show you now. Okay, so what do we have here? 2017 Subaru WRX, 140,000 miles, right? I took a chance on this. I really did. I was like, man, I'm going to get a great deal. And I'll tell you guys, if this works out, how much altogether I put into it. So, of course, you see, I got it from the auction locally. So that saved me all money too. I just picked it up myself. And yeah, so it's 2017 WRX. I was like, you know what? Why not? I do sell a lot of WRX parts, and let me keep one of these that I have. So I took a chance. I was like, oh, it's got a broken windshield, something maybe a hit. The engine is good. Everything is good. I got a great deal. That's not the case. The engine's knocking, which sucks. But I was about to strip it. I said, you know what? I don't have any 2017s. I've had, I think the newest is 2014. And we can do that. So let me unlock this. All right, so here it is, completely stock. Unfortunately, I think it's an F820. Has 140,000 miles. It looks stock, so I'm thinking nobody's gonna beat on this. It's okay. I checked the oil. Yeah, she's got the door knocking going on. So really clean car. I'm sure you guys seen a bunch of these, and the interior is super clean. I wouldn't mind driving something like this around as a daily, give my truck a break. So, these are starting to come up because, we're 2025 now and things are happening. But yeah, unfortunately, this thing has an engine knock. And it seems like it's pretty common, just like the BRZs and FRSs. My brother's car is really good because he doesn't beat on it. Maybe that's why. But it is a shame that a sporty car like this just doesn't last longer than 140,000 miles. Excuse me. Okay, I'm good. I'm not done. Okay, so, but maybe, when they say change your oil since it's a brand new car, 5,000 miles, that's a bad idea. I've heard that before when you're buying these new cars, that you don't have to do an oil change as long. No. To me, for high mileage cars, I actually change the oil even more often than sometimes even 2,000 miles I change it. If you really want the car to last, you have to do it. I've had plenty of high mileage cars that I've lasted another 100,000 miles because I frequently did maintenance, small maintenance, what's needed, but change the oil nonstop. It doesn't hurt. If you want a daily driver, if you don't have the money to go into car payment, it's a lot cheaper to change the oil, way more frequent than it is not, right? So possibly that's what's going on. Maybe the wrong oil's been going in here. Maybe there's some clearance issues going on with these engines. I'm not entirely sure. We just sell the parts and don't really get into it that way to build these. I'm not an engine builder, but, cool for me if I can get some cars with good engines and sell it to you guys so you can have swaps, which I have. I have no more Subaru engines. They're moving like crazy. Actually, I have one more. I need to inspect it. Well, now I have two. So there's this one. So I almost wanted to strip this car. Then I decided, no. Let's see if we can make this car drive again. And let's try it out. So, as you can see, identical, another 2017 Subaru WRX. As you can tell, it's messed up over here. So, what risk? Why would I do this? So, the car didn't go in the auction looking like that. So most of the time, just to give you guys a heads up, and this doesn't happen all the time, if a car looks like this and it's a good deal, it could be a drivetrain issue, and that's why it's at the auction. If it's like this, you're hoping that it's not a drivetrain issue. This is the issue why it went, and the engine is good. So that's where we're at with this, hoping that the engine is good, and then we can swap it in that one, take whatever's good out of that one, you know, inspect both of them, and then make one good car. I'm not going to resell it as of right now. Maybe. I want to see. I don't know anything right now. I want to enjoy the car, and if it works out. So here we are, identical cars. And here is another, and I'm going to take this risk. This is all a risk anyway. They lost the keys for this car, so I can't even attempt to turn it on. I know. Huge risk, whatever. But what's it going to cost me? Well, one, it cost me 2 cars. That's true. But since we're an auto parts business and this is the type of cars that we sell, I can make my money back selling the cars in pieces. Not a big deal. But it'd be kind of cool, so we can take one engine, take it out, and then also maybe be able to build one car cheaper than buying it from Marketplace, possibly. Not really sure what these cars, I've been looking at them, sometimes they're around 8 to 12 grand, depending on mileage and condition. These are completely stock. I mean, I don't think there's really anything done to them. That one had a strut bar. So, but let's look in the inside of this one. All right, so the inside of this one, the other car I was missing a shift knob, so I can put the shift knob over there. You see, you got a really hard hit. I don't know why the steering wheel looks different. The other one's wrapped in something, so let me zoom out. But yeah, I don't know what the mileage is on this one. I think actually they did find out the mileage. It was like 100,000. I don't know how they knew that. Maybe just from like the old records, but you can see the side airbags went out. Not ideal. The seats are okay. I think, do the seats have side airbags? Is that what happened in this one? Oh, I don't know if the seats have side airbags, but not ideal. A lot of still good stuff on the car, of course. Interior, quarter panels. You know, if everything works out, we can strip this thing. Steering wheel, the cluster, so many things. So I'm going to try and be stupid and see if I can open up the hood just to see. Maybe I don't need to. Oh, all right. So slight inspection. It didn't look like it hit the car or the engine. I'm sorry. Everything looks good. I think we might be all right, guys. What do you think? I don't know, but I'm sure you'll find out. Can we do this in one day? Maybe. So I haven't really taken these out. I mean, they're probably identical to any other like BRZ FRS engine. That came out really quick. This one will probably be a little bit easier. You know, the only thing that's good is the grill. We can rip the bumper off, cut the front end, so we can slide the engine right out and go from there and try it out. So that's what we got going on today. We can only do one car at a time, so maybe we will do this one first, get the swap out, get the engine apart, and then this still runs. I'll turn that on for you guys, and then we'll put that over there on the lift, and take that engine out. A lot more careful than this one. Throw this one in there, and then see what happens. So just want to show you guys what we got going on for today. More to come on other cars, but we'll get started on this, and I'll keep you updated. So yeah, it's kind of the same. It looks like they're the same as the other one, and then the same cross member, transmission, the exhaust bolts, and then we can work on top. Damage. Wow, this got hit twice. Look at the rim on this. So I don't have a forklift, so we had a couple things to do. MacGyver some things to bring the car over here. Car has a rain light. We're gonna go at it. He's gonna work on that. I'm gonna take the front end off on this, get that ready, and we can do the swap. Oh, There's a ground here. Hold on. Yeah. Yes. Cables, everything's out. Oh, one here. Hold on. Two plugs. He's flathead.
Is this too big? Oh no, that was the one I told you about.
Oh, okay. Alright, good, yeah. Alright. There she is. Good. Yeah, a little bit more. Out.
I'm stuck on a wire down there.
Nice. We got it out. Well, Angel got it out. The Angels got it out. So we got to replace the turbo. The turbo's stuck on it. I'm going to check a look at that clutch on the other one. And that's it. Got to do it. We don't have a forklift yet. Working on it, but we're going to drag this baby right out of here, and then the other one drives, and we'll just drive it right in here and take the engine out. Yeah, you're missing a wheel. You're good, Angel. Don't worry about it. Yeah, just got to go slow. Come on, I don't want to get hot.
The diesel.
Yeah. Ah. Probably gotta widen these a little bit. She don't sound too good. We're still here. What time is it? What time is it?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. All day. 1 day swap. We took out the other one, the crashed one, hoping the engine turns on. This was the knocking engine. It's right over there. So we're going to turn it on right now. We bought everything. Just some things that are missing. Oh, the lights are on. Angel, I would say just put the key on and off to try to circuit the gas. See if it'll pump gas. I don't. Actually, no, it's a mechanic. Oh. What's it saying? Yeah. Back off and do it again. Oh, it went away. It's good. It just got oil in it. It's good. It's good. Oh my God, that was scary at first. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you heard it was rattling a little bit, but there's gonna be. We got a couple of things to fix. Sounds great. I know. There's no water, so we can't keep it on that long. You gotta fix those two. I'll fix those two sensors.
Air coming out.
It's a vacuum right now. That's why, yeah. What's the? No, not yet. No. Let it work. It hasn't probably been on in so long. Yeah, a lot of it's a Christmas tree in here. Check engine. Yeah, we got a couple things going on.
Radio.
Oh, nice. Look at that. What is that over there?
That's you could change that to boost.
Oh, no
like
kidding.
A wideband, all that.
Wow. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Put in. You gotta take the. Is it? It's about, Angel. It's in gear. It's in the e-brakes on. Oh, take it down. Yeah. All right. Put in gear. Oh. Oh. Wait. Stop.
I'm on the wood.
Yes. Yeah. Because it's tilted. Put in gear. Good. Yep. You're good. Yeah. No, don't do that. It's good. It's fine. Yeah. Put in first. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, it's good. It sounds great. It sounds great. We're back with the one-day Subaru engine swap. Made one car out of two. It's actually the second day. Trying to just finish some things here, but we did get it running yesterday, and I buttoned the front end up. Gotta just put some coolant in it. A couple other things. The front bumper. There's a wire I need to fix, but besides that, she's okay. I had a set of Bilstein coilovers that they're just so expensive, and that came on 2009 WRX, and they fit perfect on this car. So I guess the unibody's identical, which it does look identical from when we did the swap out of these. I just couldn't remember. The 2023 one that we had is a little different, but there it is. Car is almost complete. Now it's going to be lowered the next day, all from used auto parts that I had here. Bought the car used from the auction, had a blown engine. The other car had, the other car was smashed this way, had a good engine, worked out. So it's not bad. So I'm pretty excited. And, that's right. So I wanted to let you guys know how much total this cost. For this, I paid for the car with the engine that was knocking $5,000, and then the car that was crashed $2,000, all locally. So I picked them up myself, and so I saved money on that. Labor, we did it ourselves. Of course, if you guys do the labor or hired somebody to do it, will cost probably a couple grand. But total with coilovers came on a different car, so maybe those are free. That card paid for itself. But total, so I'm roughly around $7,200 on this car, which is not bad. And I looked on Marketplace to see how much these would cost. It would cost really maybe 8 to 12 grand, really depending on condition and model and mileage and all that kind of stuff. But this is way more funner. This was way fun. We had a good time yesterday. My brother helped me out, and the other guy that helps me dismantle cars, and it was a really good time. And just want to show you guys that it can happen, and you can buy a couple used cars and build something on your own and don't have to pay a lot of money, even though to some people 7 grand is a lot of money, which it is. But since I'm in the business of stripping cars, the other car that's crashed will make me the money back on what we did here. So I'll break even on that, and essentially got this car for free. So it's pretty awesome. On to the next video. We are gonna go over the Eagle Talon. I have to put the engine in the drag car, so I'll show you guys that. That's almost coming back together again. Hopefully we can drive it this year, and then we'll start on the Eagle Talon engine, stripping apart.